After its crushing defeat in the Maharashtra Assembly elections, the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi has decided to wage a war against EVMs. MVA leaders are now planning a campaign seeking removal of EVMs from the voting process and a return to ballot papers. The issue of EVM transparency is the big focus by these parties. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar and Shiv Sena UBT Chief Uddhav Thackeray want to gather more evidence to substantiate claims of irregularities and have advised candidates to request audits of 5% of the voter verifiable paper audit trail. That's the VVPAT slips that has also been in much focus whenever one talks about EVMs. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has even proposed launching a campaign similar to Bharat Jodo Yatra to push for ballot paper voting. Now, just yesterday, interestingly, the Supreme Court had rejected a plea that asked for a return to ballot paper and doing away with EVMs. In fact, that was, the Supreme Court said that when the politicians lose is when they cry about EVMs. When they win, it's all forgotten. The BJP has hit back on this latest push by the MVA, saying the opposition didn't question the results of the general elections when the MVA had managed more seats in Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र में ही 5 महीना पहले 5 माह पूर्व जो चुनाव हुए लोकसभा के, उनके 31 सांसद चुन के आए, 2 अपक्ष। तब क्यों नहीं ईवीएम पर सवाल खड़ा किया? तब ईवीएम बराबर थी, तब ईवीएम खराब नहीं थी। अब उनका नांदेड़ में सांसद चुन के आया अभी बाई इलेक्शन में, तो तब ईवीएम खराब नहीं है। उनके बाकी अभी विधायक चुन के आए, वहाँ ईवीएम खराब नहीं है। देखिए, बवंडर खड़ा कर रहे, और ये बवंडर से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। उल्टा आत्मपरीक्षण करना चाहिए। तो ईवीएम का कोई दोष नहीं है।
All right, so that's the Maharashtra BJP chief. Let's go across to Radhika now for more. And Radhika, tell us, what is it that the MVA is now planning?
That's right. Maharashtra opposition has upped its ante over EVMs. They've alleged EVM tampering as well as irregularity and manipulation when it comes to Maharashtra assembly polls. Of course, they have demanded a verification of EVMs as well as VVPATs units at this point, and they're also planning to launch a massive protest across the state and country to sort of stop the usage of EVMs and also seek return of paper ballots. And also the opposition leaders say they're planning to ensure that enough evidence is gathered so that they can build a case against EVM. So therefore, Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray in touch with legal teams in order to take this up on a national as well as state level and take it up before the courts. This is what we are hearing. We know for a fact that multiple meetings took place within MVA. Sharad Pawar met several of the NCP defeated candidates. So did Uddhav Thackeray. And many complaints were raised by many of these candidates, as far as the discrepancies, alleged discrepancies over EVMs are concerned. They say that there had been discrepancies over the votes counted as well as votes polled, and have sort of alleged manipulation as far as EVMs are concerned. So in a way, the opposition questioning the integrity of the election process and planning to launch a massive campaign against EVMs. The BJP, of course, rubbishing all of this, stating that as a result of their loss, opposition is making a big deal out of nothing. They're not ready to or not able to accept their defeat or loss, which is why they are trying to blame it on the EVMs, and that shouldn't be taken seriously. That's the kind of reaction we're getting from the BJP. But the opposition leaders, including Congress, NCP, as well as Uddhav Sena, upping the ante and planning to make it into a movement, as far as the usage or alleged misuse of electronic voting machines in assembly elections are concerned.